In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the contrast of an image on Visme. Whether you're looking to punch up the colors or soften them for a more subdued look, adjusting the contrast can make a significant difference in the overall feel of your design. So, let's dive right in and get started with this quick and easy process. First things first, you'll want to select the image you wish to modify in your Visme project. To do this, simply open your project and locate the image you're ready to enhance. By clicking on it, you'll make sure it's highlighted and ready for editing. Now, let's navigate over to the editing menu on the left sidebar. Here, you'll spot the Photos section. Click on it, and then move on to the Effects tab. This is where the magic happens, and you have numerous tools at your disposal to tweak your image. Next up, you'll want to look for the option that says Customize. You'll find this within the Filter panel, and it's your gateway to more detailed adjustments. Go ahead and click Customize to open up the Settings menu. Once you're in the Customize settings, the Contrast slider is the tool we're going to focus on. Now, you may notice different sliders here for adjusting other image attributes, but keep your attention on the Contrast for now. This slider will allow you to alter the contrast level according to your vision for the image. To adjust the contrast, click on the slider and drag it to the left if you're looking to decrease the contrast. This will give your image a softer, more muted appearance, which can be great for designs that require a gentle touch. Conversely, if you're aiming for a bolder look, drag the slider to the right to increase the contrast. Increasing the contrast can make the image pop by highlighting the differences between the lighter and darker areas, creating a more vivid and dynamic effect. As you make these changes, take a moment to observe how the image transforms. It's always a good idea to adjust gradually and see how slight changes can affect the overall look. Keep refining until the image meets your expectations. Once you're happy with the adjustments, it's time to finalize your work. Don't forget to apply or save your changes. Depending on the version of Visme you are using, there might be a button directly on the panel, or you may need to hit save on your project. Double-check that your image looks just as you hoped it would before you exit the editing mode. And there you have it. Editing the contrast of an image in Visme is a straightforward task that can significantly impact your project's aesthetic. Play around with the slider, explore different looks, and soon this process will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.